Hello, I'm Chito. I'm here because I love to share interesting facts. Let's start our journey. India is named after which river? The Indus. There are how many states in India? 28. There are how many union territories in India? 9. What is the northernmost state of India? Himachal Pradesh. What is the southernmost state of India? Tamil Nadu. What is the easternmost state of India? Arunachal Pradesh. What is the westernmost state of India? Gujarat. What is the northernmost point of India? Indira Col in Ladakh. What is the southernmost point of Indian territory? Indira Point in Great Nicobar Island. What is the southernmost mainland tip of India? Kanyakumari. What is the easternmost point of India? Kibithu. What is the westernmost point of India? Guharmoti. Okay, this is India's map. Here you can find Indira Cone in Ladakh, and this is Kibithu in Arunachal Pradesh. This is Guharmoti in Gujarat. This is Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, and this is Indira Point in Great Nicobar Island. What is the last official village of India? Mana in Uttarakhand. What is known as Goldilocks planet? The Earth. What is known as the jewel of the solar system? The Saturn. Which is the windiest planet? The Neptune. What is the nearest planet to the Earth? The Venus. What is the farthest planet to the Earth? The Neptune. Which planet is the nearest planet to the Sun? The Mercury. Which planet has slowest rotational period? The Venus. Which planet has the quickest rotational period? The Jupiter. The day of which planet is longer than its 1 year? The Venus. The asteroid belt is located in between which planets? The Mars and the Jupiter. Which planet has maximum number of moons? The Saturn. It has 82 moons, so it is known as Moon King. Which planet is known as the morning and evening star? The Venus. Which planet can float on water, means it has lowest density? The Saturn. What is the largest continent in the world? Asia. What is the largest country in the world? Russia. What is the largest ocean in the world? The Pacific Ocean. What is the largest island in the world? Greenland. What is the largest sea in the world? The Philippine Sea. What is the largest bay in the world? The Bay of Bengal. What is the longest river in the world? The Nile. What is the highest mountain in the world? The Himalayas. What is the highest mountain peak in the world? Mount Everest. What is the largest lake in the world? Caspian Sea. What is the deepest lake in the world? Lake Baikal. What is the largest freshwater lake in the world? The Superior. What is the largest gulf in the world? The Gulf of Mexico. What is the tallest grass? Bamboo. What is the name of the oldest tree on the earth? Methuselah. It is in USA. Who invented the system of naming plants? Carl Linnaeus. He was from Sweden. Those who study plants known as botanists. The green pigments of leaves are known as chlorophyll. What is the smallest flowering plant? Ulphia globosa or watermill or duckweed? Which plant has the world's largest seed? It's Cocoderma. It can be found in Seychelles. The orange pigments of leaves are known as carotene. The yellow pigments of leaves are known as xanthophyll. The red pigments of leaves are known as anthocyanin. Which plant has the world's smallest fruit? Ulphia globosa. The four basic parts of flower are sepal, petal, stamen, pistil. You can see this part. This part is sepal. The reddish colored part is petal. The yellowish part is stamen. And the greenish part right in the middle is pistil. Which flowering plant has highest number of species? Orchid. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can find me at edusuccessmantra@gmail.com.